Hello, Dad here. It's at the Springfield Nature, turtle. The Springfield Nature Center. Good evening. And it is Monday, 28 August, 2023. And Springfield Nature Center, Springfield, Missouri. It's really pretty. This is my second time around. This is the second time around, and so I'm trying to hit the different trails. I've done a few little extra pop-ins and outs. This is pretty. They're in little cliffs. And the bridge or part of finger of Lake Springfield. I aborted one recording earlier. I was way too mopey. And my wife is in Utah with a child that's having their baby. And this evening, late this evening, I pick up one of my sons from the airport. And Wednesday, I head to Indiana. Oh, some more prettiness. It's hard to get the depth perception here, but I'm gonna go visit some other kids. So I was feeling pretty mopey today. I had the car serviced, which is good. And I'm glad we have the ability to take care of it. But I was feeling mopey because I was got some things I'm working on, some other business ventures. And this time around, I was getting some, I wouldn't say anxiety, but kind of like negative feelings and anxiety, all the what ifs, what about the marketing, it's not perfected yet, and having to have everything in place for scaling the businesses. It's just, I understand it's part of the process, but it's not comfortable. And this is a little pretty here. It's a little path that goes along this little stream. I don't know if you can see that. But by the time I'm done, so I'll do, what they call the Long Trail and the Red Bluff Trail, or Fox Bluff Trail, and the Boardwalk Trail. And it should give me just about 6 miles in on the hike for the day. Little spring here. It's nice. I'm glad the Missouri Department of Conservation has these little things set up. Anyway, I just better than I was. It's part of my thing. If I don't get enough physical activity, it's much easier for me to feel blah. And I don't like feeling blah. I really like feeling healthy and strong. I'm not Steve Reeves strong. I'm not, like some of these triathletes. But I like feeling good. And I'm very blessed, I will admit. Oh, that's nice. At sea, you don't get much good depth perception with these little phones. And at 63, I'm in pretty good condition. Not like I'd like to be, but there's a lot of things that I would like that aren't quite cute stuff. Aren't quite the way I would like them, but that'll happen. And it's been, like I said, it's been a long time since I've done one of these little videos. Been so busy since I quit that last position I was at, and trying to divest ourselves of some things and acquire other things. I'm very busy, which isn't, in and of itself, is not a bad thing. I just need to make sure that I take the time to get some activity. I've lost a little bit of pudge that I picked up when I was working out of state. And my wife takes pretty good care of me. My woman. And I guess that's it for now. I just wanted to say hey and wanted to check in. Oh, I did hear something foolish today. The city of Chicago in Illinois. This is according to NPR. I'm not sure all the ins and outs, but according to National Public Radio, city of Chicago. Was it NPR or was it some other talking face? Anyway, there's so many cars being stolen. Apparently, if it's true, they're suing auto manufacturers, specifically Honda and Hyundai, because the cars are being stolen, and they want the manufacturers to make them more theft-proof instead of prosecuting bad guys. Like California, their stupid $900 law. So anyway, that's it for now. Talk to you later. Thank you for spending time with Dad. Love you. Bye-bye.